After the remittance files have been downloaded, you can access the response viewer to unzip and print the remittance files. To access the response viewer, simply click the response viewer button. Once the response viewer opens, you can click the yellow folder or open button to see what ERAs were downloaded. The ERAs that you receive from Change Healthcare will be labeled ERA and will be a zipped file. Here you would double-click the ERA file, and then in the selection dialog, you would highlight all of the files inside, and then click the Extract button. In the Browse to Folder dialog, be sure the download folder is selected, and then click the OK button. The files will then be extracted to the download directory. If you are using the Parse Checks for EOB Files option, the system will unzip the files and rename the file in an easy-to-manage format, where you will see the provider's office name, the date the check was cut, and the number on the check. This makes it easier to understand what is in the file when printing and importing for posting electronically, as well as to reconcile with other files and checks you may have received. Likewise, when using this feature, the system automatically backs up the ERA to a separate folder, thereby protecting you if you accidentally delete the ERA file. After the remittance files have been extracted, you must print your EOB before importing it into Practice Manager. After you import the EOB into Practice Manager, the remittance file is deleted. To print in an EOB, click the yellow folder or open button in the response viewer. Highlight the remittance file you want to print, and then click the Open button. At the Do you want to print in patient name order prompt, select whether or not you wish the EOB to be printed in patient name order. After the EOB appears in the response viewer, you can click the Print button. A print dialog will appear that shows what printer you are printing to. You can click the OK button, and the EOB will then print. When the EOB is finished printing, you will be back to where the remittance file is viewed on the screen. Do not delete this file after printing. To select another file to print, you can click the yellow folder or open button again and repeat the process as before. When finished printing EOBs, you can close out of this screen.